Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you guys are having a great Saturday. Well, Lou has made a morning appearance. I guess she woke up, took a nap after the 2 a.m. live, and is back. Kid has a friend over, and Lori wants some attention, I guess. So, let's jump into it.
Okay. Yeah, talk to your therapist about it, honey. Please and thank you. I recommend you talk to your... Oh! I'm about to make a mess. Oh my goodness. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna have to break this down into symbols here because there's a lot, you guys. There's a lot of potatoes that need done here. So no. I'm too worried about what happens here, honey. That's the problem. That's the damn problem here. You worried about the wrong motherfucking things. But that's a you problem, not a me problem. I got potato problems over here. This is bad. Sabrina, good morning. Oh, look at that hair, girl. Oh, don't worry. Hi. I love you. Don't you look at me like that, bro, twin. My friend Sabrina is awake. My friend Sabrina. Alright. I might have to break this down into two symbols. Right, you just got bored. It absolutely does, honey. Don't you forget it. Alright. Now we know. Actually, I'm going to use this pot instead. Because I'm not. Oops. Oh. Watch out, Brian. Hands. I just dirty the pan for no reason. Alright. Whoops. Damn, you really thirsty, aren't you? Sorry, you guys, I know that was probably a little loud. The butter won't come off this knife. But we got it now, so don't worry about it. Alright. My oven is preheated to whatever degree you want it to be. Okay? Okay. Oh. Like I got time to doing dishes. Yes, we tell everybody to say no to drugs. Say no to drugs! Absolutely! We cannot stress that enough. Yes, absolutely say no. Or seek a rehab or something. I don't know. Oh, we did it, you guys. Look, I need these, out. Oh, please. Please work with me, God. Do not let this mess up. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. I'm getting nervous. You're taking me out. And drinking. Yeah. You would be... Your mouth would be mouthing at this point. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to stick this in the microwave. Oh yeah, there it goes.
Can you imagine being this kid that you go over there to spend the night or the weekend, whatever, and all there is to eat is what Lou Jones is going to cook for you? I would not eat that entire weekend or however long I was there.
Please have mercy on me. It's about to get hot in here, Pride. Sorry. Microwave's on. Or the stove, I should say. Pride, you pretty got water all over the damn floor, bro. It's alright. Oh. Thank you, honey, thank you. Just pray for me, that's all, just pray. Just pray for me, sweetheart. Did you tell Sabrina what you woke up to?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He texted me that whenever I
He texted her? He broke her heart. What's wrong with men? I'm so sorry, dear. Oh, my back. Oh. Oh, there you go. Play with your Paw Patrol. There you go. Let me pick up your water. You just like to drool all over the place here. Oh, I got your back, girl. Give me that Paw Patrol. That ain't yours. It's mine. Alright, put this. Look, I do not clean for my health, Pride. You understand, honey? Or maybe you don't. It's okay. Let me talk to you in doggy language. Woof, 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 woof. Yeah.
Oh my Lord.
Ooh. They're nowhere near done, so you peeps in there, calm down. It's gonna take a little bit. Yeah, because it takes a little bit, so that's that. Oh. Let's turn this fan on here. Let's get so it don't get too hot for you there. Pride. Ow. Oh, I'm going on to end it. He's a cute guy. She's pretty too. Oh, she's walking away from him. Sing to her, baby. Sing to her. Oh. Sir, he's trying to get to her. He's in love. He let his guard down. And then she pulled the rug. I love you, honey. Come here. Don't go underwater. Okay, turn to Lori. Just check me out on YouTube or whatever you need to, and you'll find me. I mean, they got the narratives and the math. That whole. To hell. She's trying really hard to bust open this Paw Patrol. She's trying really hard to tear open that Paw Patrol. Huh?
Play with her.
Play with her.
Fluffy, come on.
Oh, that was so nice of you. You better recognize. You know she loved me. You know who the OG. I'm sorry. Don't you give me a side eye, bro. Come here. Give me your damn Paw Patrol. Sabrina says I need to play with you. She didn't bring it with her. She just wants me to pet her. Now she don't want the Paw Patrol. She just wants now. Being someone else. To get me through it. Your feelings are valid, honey, I promise. And pull her up. It's getting kinda used to being someone you love. I was getting kinda used to love. Do you love me? I didn't fucking say snort. You think you Piggy Wiggy? You think you Piggy Wiggy? You think you 5 golden brides, 4 golden Sabrinas, 2 Katrinas. Look at me like that again. Look at me like that again. What's up, bitch? I love you, honey. You know that. I love you with. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely, honey. Absolutely. There goes my heartbeat, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back. I'll let him take over now. Please come back. Oh, it is racing. Oh. Still breathe. Oh, this now. I climbed every mountain. Don't you fucking laugh at me, girl. Don't laugh. That's how I sing. That's how I sing. You got a problem with it? Me to see. Hey, I need you to see that you are the reason. I'm not really ignoring me, bro. Shoot. The reason. I climb every mountain. Oh, sorry. I'm off guard a little bit. It's okay. Oh, God. Oh, shoot. Hey, where are the other 5 phones? I need the other phone. One of the other phones. Hurry up. You think I'm playing twin? Yo! Yeah. We're all coughing. Just, I don't know what's gotten into this weather here. It's not down. They probably got it all up in there, and it's okay. They must need it more than me. Oh. Damn, you's a cutie. You look like you're from French or Italy or something. Don't ever think you could top Trump. He's so... Oh, God, my hand hurts. Oh, it is the weather. 6 feet, please, 6 feet.
Those who serve their spouses.
We're all coughing, so we got to be 6 feet apart because that's what the law says. 6 feet apart. So,
Because here, we take care of our own. USA, become a member.
we got to be 6 feet apart.
Perfect gift set for $35 and under from Sephora Apple. I got this set of
God, my hand.
Day Cactus with 3-in-1 styling.
Oh!
And the
Oh!
do have an impressive gift low price at your local Sephora Apple.
It's a carpal tunnel arthritis, just all in one, and it's really hurt my hand. Oh, God already accepted me though the day I gave my life to Him. So too bad your mouth ain't nothing, but it's okay. Your feelings are valid, absolutely. Oh God, my hand. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, now I know. You know how, like, yeah, absolutely. Did you catch it all or just the fish nets? Did you catch everything, like, to pretty much nothing on? You should stay talking about it, too. Guarantee God didn't question what I was wearing. He was too happy that Lori came to give her life. So, that was that. Anyway, yeah, I am out of my mind. I'm losing my mind. My hand hurts. You know how people would, say like their hand hurts? You know, like they have a hard time using their hand or they got them hand things on their hand. Well, now I feel their pain. That's a little painful. Open your eyes and sing, bro. What are you doing? You're getting too into it. Open your eyes. Let us see you. There you go. There you go. Let us see you, honey. Oh. And it's my wrist. I'm really trying with that Paw Patrol. Oh! She got the Paw Patrol open. Oh, she got her open. Forever tearing up your darn toys, girl. Do you think this is appropriate? Yeah. You think it's appropriate? Princess Pride, you're getting big. You look like a wolf. I mean, you lost weight, which is good, because I worry about her heart. And she would eat a lot. Now, she eats and drinks, but she limits herself, and I don't understand, because she used to just not care what was going on. She'd tear up some food, bro. And now, I mean, she eats, don't get me wrong, but she's like stubborn with her eating. Like, girl, get your grub on. What you doing? Yeah, get that grub on. Yeah. But it also could be because other people like to, hook her up with a hot dog or something, So, yeah. Love me. I'll give you all of me. You can have all of me, right? Oh, God. Can you put your head on my arm? I need pressure on it, Pride. Pressure my arm. My hand, not my arm. The mouth wasn't mouth in there because I said hand, arm, and it's hand. It's from here to here, Pride. Can you just put pressure? Whatever. Yeah, my face. You're trying to love on me, and my arm hurt. Oh, you give me paw. You don't give me paw. She loves me, you guys. She loves me at all costs and all symbols. Alright, I do gotta text this somebody. Oh, there you go. Yep, tear it up more. There you go, sweetie pea. Eat that Paw Patrol girl. You know, she looks cute. Maybe you didn't get it open. Oh, did you? Yeah, you did. The head part or something. Something you got ripped open because I see cotton coming out of her. Oh, her eyeball. You got her eyeball. Yes.